Hello and welcome to Mr. Ridley's Design and Technology. In this clip we're going to look at making a pizza box or pizza packaging. This could be part of a food project where you actually make a pizza, no pizza in there at the moment, or it could just be for food, for packaging graphics. So we can see here we've got various information on the back, we've got information on the sides, all the way around, and even a little note there. So let's have a look at making this. How did we do it? Well, we start off with a net or development, and we've got one here, and then these are the different areas, and if we look at here, put this onto here, we can see where these different areas are. So down here we have a checklist, and we'll just go through the things that we've put, or the information that you might find on a piece of food packaging like this. So we've got a barcode here, we have an ingredients list, we have recycle logos. Now we've got a recycle logo here. We've also said that this is a compostable packaging. Compostable means it can be it will biodegrade easily. We've got a keep Britain tidy logo. We've got some storage instructions. We have calorie content with the traffic lights for fat, salt and sugar up here. We've got the shop name, we've got a contact number, and we've got a web address. We've also got where it's made and various other bits of information. So you can see that these panels here are the sides, this is the back panel, and this is the lid. So we've got two options now. One, we can do it like this. So I would recommend that you do not cut it out. We could cut out first, but I think it's far better to cut it out, put all your details on while the sheet is complete. It stops it getting damaged, it just keeps it in better condition. So once you've filled all this in, and all this information, and you've got to remember that with any food packaging, that all the surfaces are covered with information. You can see on this one that all the surfaces are covered with information. And we've used a range of colours that kind of complement, and it looks like something you might buy. Once we've done that, once we've finished colouring it in, then we need to cut it out. So I'm just going to take that out because I think it's clearer here to go back to looking at our template. Now if you look at our template, we've got solid lines here, so solid lines around the outside are cut lines, and then we've got dotted lines here, and the dotted lines are fold lines. Now the first thing we're going to do is cut it out. Now you can simply cut it out with a pair of scissors. If you're cutting it out with a pair of scissors, what the best thing to do is start by just roughly cutting about 5mm from the edge, and just kind of take out a chunk at a time. And you can see there I haven't cut right up to the edge, I've just done that. And then when you've finished that cut, it's far easier to just make an accurate cut right up to the line. So you can see there that I'm making these cuts like that. And now we can also use a scalpel and a steel ruler. If we use a scalpel and a steel ruler, we really need to use a cutting mat, and it should really be a steel ruler, because the steel ruler, the scalpel, which can be quite sharp, won't cut into it, and we can keep our fingers here away. So you can see here that I can cut more accurately than with the scissors, and I can just make my cuts here, and make that cut and take these pieces out. And you can see there that quite quickly we can cut out this shape. Now, when we're folding, when we want to fold, we can see clearly there that we've got the glue tabs. Now the glue tabs, we can use a glue stick. A glue stick will work absolutely fine to glue our corners. You can see there how the glue tabs fit in the corner there, so they just fold over and fit in. And to fold it, if we just carefully trim that piece off, and to fold it here, the easiest way is to put your steel ruler, get your steel ruler, put it on the fold line here, and no matter which way you're folding it, if you fold it and fold it along the steel ruler like this, and then you get a nice crisp fold line. You also want to fold the glue tabs, so you can fold those and just fold those over and fold the glue tabs there, and then we can see, and obviously the glue is going to be applied there, and let's see, that way there. So I'm not going to cut it all out. I think that should be kind of, obviously where we want to glue is on the glue tabs here, here and here, and then there we can see once we fold it up, and we can see our completed box. So there it is. That is making a pizza box for food packaging. Thank you for watching Mr. Ridley's Design and Technology.